Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video on the View into Huck's World. And today I got another awesome freebie for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store. And yes, it's free as I'm doing this video, but remember, free can become paid at any given time. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's kick off this review. First of all, the name of the watch face is called Star Viren, and this guy always gets down on some nice super casual watch faces that are unique, and this one is one of those watch faces. Now, in the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look except for the animation. Once the watch face is on, there's no other features or functions or anything like that. You're going to get your numbers that's going to run the index, which looks nice. You're going to get the 12, the 2, the 4, the 6, the 8, and the 10, which is different, but yet I like it. Now, if you look at the background, you got twinkling stars, right? But you also got a nice design in the background too that helps give it some depth a little bit. But I like it. I like the look. You can't customize anything else or the color. But with this type of watch face, you really don't need to. And Jackie, this one, I'm almost positive would not run down all your battery in spite of the fact that you don't have the Galaxy Watch just yet. All right, Jackie, listen, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead, check this watch face out, see if it's still free. All right, and with that, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out before you leave. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.